What's up, you guys? This is Victor from V&A Furniture. So today I'm going to be assembling a coffee colored sectional. Okay, so this is going to be a floor model. Let me show you how it looks. It's going to be like this. Okay, so this one right here is reversible. You can put this on the left or on the right side. Since it's going to be a floor model, I'm going to do it as shown in the picture. Okay, a lot of people do not believe me that these things come in boxes. So they do come in boxes. It takes me around 25 minutes to 35 minutes to assemble these. Okay, so you guys watch it, and if you guys like something like this, come over here to V&A Furniture and get yourself one of these. I got different colors. I think it's we have gray and black on this one. So come over here to V&A Furniture, watch the video, and I'm going to show you the material at the end. Okay, peace. Okay, just got done building this sectional. Look how it looks. You guys see it? Look at the material. Okay, the best part about this, hold on, let me get something to hold my camera. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, the best part, if you guys want to lay like this and you want somebody else over here, that's where I love this one right here. Okay, you can put it like this and it's perfect. Okay, see how it looks, gives it a different look. Okay, now if you guys want to fall asleep, put it over here, chilling, playing your video games, watching your TV, your Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever, you know. And that's how it looks. You guys want to see how the picture, hold on. That's the picture. That's the sectional. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Picture, sectional. Picture, sectional. Okay? If you guys want something like this, come to V&A Furniture over here in Lancaster, California. And come and visit us. And stay tuned for the next videos. Peace.